Okay, Root. So today's video is going to be on the 3 or 4 sums which you couldn't do last day. Yes. So the first sum which you couldn't do is number 5. These sums are very easy. Yes, I was hoping that you will be able to do it on your own. Yes. So 1 by 5 plus 3 root 2, and they asked you to rationalize it. Okay, so let me copy it down. So I write 1 by 5 plus 3 root 2. To rationalize it, since it is 5 plus 3 root 2, I will multiply it with 5 minus 3 root 2. Yes or no? Yes. By 5 minus 3 root 2. Yes or no? Understood? Now if we multiply the numerators, 1 into 5 minus 3 root 2 is 5 minus 3 root 2. Yes, no problem in this. And here in the denominator, this is a plus b and this is a minus b. Yes, so what is a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. What is your a? A is 5. Yes, so what is your a square? A square is 5 square, which is 25. Yes, by what is your b? B is 3 root 2. So what is b square? B square is 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2. So 9 into 2 is 18. So 25 minus 18. Let me explain you once again. This is a plus b and this is a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Yes or no? What is your a? 5. So what will be a square? A square will be 25 then. Yes. What is your b? 3 root 2. Then what will be b square? B square will be 3. 3 into 3 is 9 and root 2 into root 2 is 2, and finally 9 into 2 is 18. So 25 minus 18. Yes or no? Yes. So your final answer will be, let me write at the top q, because I don't have the space to write 5 minus 3 root 2. Okay, q by what is 25 minus 8? 25 minus 18 is 7. Okay, so the answer is q by 7. Yes, I hope there's no problem in this one. Let's move on to the next one. Next we move on to this one, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. This one you should have done it on your own. All of these are easy. Yes, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Yes, and to rationalize it, you need to multiply it with root 7 plus root 6. Yes, and I write root 7 plus root 6. Yes, what is multiplication of the numerators will give you root 7 plus root 6, because 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. Okay, then again in the denominator you have a minus b into a plus b. So again a square minus b square. Yes, so what is your a? A is root 7, so a square will be only 7. B is root 6, so b square will be only 6. So I write 7 minus 6 because it is a square minus b square. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So your final answer will be root 7 plus root 6 by 1. Yes, or only root 7 plus root 6. Let's check the answer then. Yes, only root 7 plus root 6 is the answer, which you can see over here. Yes. After this we move on to sum number 7. So here it is 4 by root 11 minus root 7. So to rationalize it, you will multiply it with root 7 plus root 7, root 11 plus root 7 by root 11 plus root 7. Yes, and I am just teaching you how to multiply the numerators, because you know again in the denominator you have a minus b into a plus b, so you know what to do. Okay, so this 4 will now be multiplied with root 11 plus root 7, so it becomes 4 root 11 plus 4 root 7. Okay, by whatever you get in the denominator you write. Okay, I want you to do this on your own. But the answer of number 7 is only, wait, the answer of number 7 is only this thing, only what, root 11 plus root 7. Okay, I am telling you why. Because in the numerator, what did we get? We get 4 into root 11 plus root 7. Yes, after doing a square minus b square formula in the denominator, you will get 4 in the denominator as well. Understood? So 4 and 4 gets cancelled out, and finally that's why the answer is root 11 plus root 7. Okay, now we move on to sum number 7, which says 1 plus root 2 by 2 minus root 2. Yes, so we will multiply it with 2 plus root 2, because here you have 2 minus root 2 into 2 plus root 2. Okay, so you know what to do with the denominator. I won't teach you what to do with the denominator. Yes, so let's look at the numerator. Numerator is, it's just 1 plus root 2 into 2 plus root 2. Yes, 1 plus root 2 into 2 plus root 2. Okay, so first we'll multiply 1 and 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Then will be multiply 1 and root 2. So 1 into root 2 is root 2 only. Yes, then we will do root 2 into 2, which becomes 2 root 2. Yes, and then we will multiply root 2 into root 2, which is only 2. Yes, so 2 plus 2 is 4. Yes, and root 2 plus 2 root 2 is 3 root 2. 4 plus 3 root 2 by whatever you get in the denominator. Yes, so here also you can see that it is 4 plus 3 root 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator they have 2. That you are going to find out how you get 2 in the denominator. Yes, and the next sum is again the same, exactly similar to, okay, so the next sum, no, not exactly similar. These are easy sums, dude. I expected apply your brains a bit more. Understood? Yes, this closed mind is not getting you anywhere. I'll have to copy this down again. 3, wait 1 minute. 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Yes, if you multiply it, you get 3 minus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. Yes or no? Yes, you know what to do with the denominator. I won't tell you what to do with the denominator anymore. So if in the numerator you see they have the same things, 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2. Yes or no? So you will write it as 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square. Yes or no? If it would have been a into a in the numerator, you would have written it as a square. So when it is 3 minus root 2 into 3 minus root 2 in the numerator, you write it as 3 minus root 2 root 2 whole square. And now we will apply a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square formula? A square means what? 3 square, which is 9, plus b square. B square is what? 2 root 2 whole square. 2 root 2 whole square is 4, and root 2 whole square is 2. So 2 root 2 whole square will be 8. 4 into 2, 8, plus 8 minus 2ab. So it will be minus 2 into 3 into 2 root 2. Yes, what is 2 into 3 into 2 root 2? 12 root 2. So the final answer in the numerator will be 17 minus 12 root 2. Okay, 17 minus 12 root 2, let's see. Okay, 17 minus 12 root 2 is only there in the numerator. Maybe in the denominator, after doing a plus b into a minus b, maybe you get a 1. Okay, that's why it is only 17 minus 12 root 2 over. Yes, so do all of these on your own and send me.